going on, everybody? How we doing? How we doing? Good morning, everybody. Got my Campbell soup for today. A little Campbell soup. Everybody, where y'all tapping in from? Where y'all from? Go ahead, drop y'all location. Good morning. We got Romania, UK, GM. What's good, Sway? LA, good morning. North Carolina, Dubai, Thailand, Germany. Some good old salad. I mean, soup. Let's see, we got Malaysia, we got Germany, Long Island, Vietnam, Indianapolis, Houston, or Austin, Texas. We got a lot. That's dope. That's dope. We got a lot of people tapped in from different areas. That's dope. I like that. I like that. So, guys, a lot of things had happened, I guess, with market. Looking at gold right now. All right, guys. So I've been waiting to see what the hell dollar's gonna do for the longest. Like, we've been nothing but consolidating. However, though, we did have a nice little drop. You guys see we had a nice little drop right here. Right there. We had that nice little drop. And that definitely meant gold wanted to get up, NASDAQ, and yeah, that's pretty much the only two. Believe it or not, I'm thinking the dollar's still gonna drop though. Like, if we was to remove this, and I was to put this here, I can definitely see dollar dropping for sure. I'm just trying to figure out where can we drop to. By the way, if you are new to my channel, I am literally growing my $4,000 account to 40K, and I swear we doing great so far, and I didn't expect that to happen like that, but we're doing real good, and I like it. These live streams are really entertaining to a lot, and also seek a lot of knowledge off these videos. So I'm gonna need y'all to go ahead and hit that like button. We got to get this to at least 150 likes. We got to get this video up to at least 150 likes. Oh no, Patrick, this is soup. This soup. All right, guys. So tapping into NASDAQ. I do want to buy. Obviously, it's going up. I just got to see what the hell we got inside here. Like, if I was to, you guys see that level right there? That's what I want. That's what I want. That's what I want. I want NASDAQ to come in this area, and then I'm gonna be looking for some buying opportunity. So we gotta see. Hold on, y'all. Let me turn down this heat. Hold up. All right, cool. So yeah, I'm looking at NASDAQ to come down to roughly around. It depends on what broker you guys have, but I'm using Hanko Trade. I absolutely love Hanko Trade. I'm using the 11522 area to see if we can get price to get there. Now coming back to my other screen, you guys see that dollar's dropping still, and I still believe dollar's going to drop. However, just know that we will be getting this pullback soon. All right, this pullback coming up here, and then start tapping down here. Do I live trade every morning? Yeah, I do. Gold is going up. I'm also looking for gold to come down so I can possibly get in for some opportunities. But I'm kind of interested to see what we're going to do right here, though. We can almost catch a crazy little scalp move. We can almost catch a crazy little scalp move going down with the gold. 30-second entries. Y'all know I'm all about 30-second entries. (30-second 1 minute entries for sure. But let's see though, cause I got both of my brokers lit today. I got Offspring FX. I use them for my funded side. And I use Hanko Trade for my personal account. So I got both ready, locked and loaded to get in the trade. So yeah, we're gonna see what we got going on, y'all. But I do want to see what we get right here in between this area. I want to see if we can start getting it's just something reflecting that, hey, the sellers are in now, and then we'll see what happens from here. But before any of that, I gotta see a lower high form first, or what we can call it a higher low form first. Let it break out, and then boom, I got my answer. NASDAQ, like I said, guys, we needed to come back down to these levels here in order for us to look for some buying setups. So you need to make a Telegram. We are actually making that now. We already in the midst of all that. We got the Discord lit right now, but yeah, we're gonna include Telegram too. GJ, y'all, I'm not seeing shit with GJ right now. Just nothing but consolidation. USD. I'm not gonna mark it up on here. I'm gonna have to go into a trading view to see, but yeah. So like our USD, we have a lot of liquidity being built up as far as the diagonal pattern or like a diagonal trend. I kind of want to see what we could expect with our USD. So we're gonna keep our eyes open on that. Otherwise, yeah, let me see. You said we got news tapping in at 1 minute. Let me go to investing.com. Yeah, we don't have any major news though. We don't have anything major coming on right now. That was good, agent. I'm interested to know what is y'all, what's everybody's pair to trade. I'm gonna put a poll in the chat room. Putting a poll in the chat room. I would like to know what is y'all top pairs based off these that I'm gonna post. Ready, set, go. I want all y'all to tell me what's y'all top pair out what I just chose. Yeah, it seemed like gold's winning right now. Gold is at 43%. 43% of y'all said gold. And then believe it or not, NAS and GBP, y'all saying it's actually 27%. US 30, only 1%. That's crazy. Yeah, gold is number one, man. I'm telling you, I know gold. Gold is like bait to me, you know, because it does so much. And it's crazy that y'all saying GBP yen is second best. NASDAQ is 27%. So gold is 42, GJ is 26%, and NASDAQ is 26, and then US 30 is 7. Makes sense. Makes sense. Hey, everybody that's tapping in, everybody, I need everyone on here to like this dang video. We gotta get these likes up. So we got this low right here that just formed. I don't know. It's not too much of a crazy low, but looking at my trading view, we still got some movement to play inside of this zone level. Right. Let me go in the 5 minute. We still got some shit to play around with inside the zone level here, y'all. Don't like dirty 30. I had to build my account. Just seen somebody make 50K in 15 minutes, man. There's no limit with Forex trading. I'm telling y'all. That's their brand for Hanko Trade. You know, some brokers like to have their abbreviation symbols on their branded symbols on the symbol. Y'all said US 30 traumatized me. Yeah, we gotta get them likes up for real. Yeah, I do wish Hanko Trade had a dollar for me to trade. Or do they? And I'm just like tweaking. I know they don't. Yeah, I don't see it. So guys, with Euro, I want y'all to pay close attention to Euro. We got all of this liquidity being built up with Euro. And as well as that, we have other liquidity levels also looks like it's trying to build up as well. So if I tap back into my trading view, no, the spreads is crazy with dollar. Believe me, I know. Shit is worse than fucking NAS. Well, NAS ain't bad at all, but like it's worse than a lot of these exotic pairs. So with So with the Euro Yen, I'm interested because I was seeing that Euro was strong. Euro is strong, so just to show you guys, Euro is strong. Yen is doing this consolidation thing. That's why we got mad consolidation. Sideways trend with Yen pairs right now. So it's kind of like I don't really know what the fuck. This week is actually kind of like I don't know what the fuck. Except for this right here. I'm waiting on this drop if it ever wants to happen. Gold, we gotta keep our eye on gold, guys. I see dollar wanna start tapping up into some POI levels. Euro USD is definitely doing the same as USD. All we waiting on is pullbacks, y'all. It's literally all we waiting on right now. All we literally waiting on is pullbacks. Well, let's see. You said CJ is good trade during cat news. Yeah, absolutely. It looks like now that shit wanted to spike. Still going sideways though. Ain't nothing really happening. But I will say with GJ, we do have if we start tapping in on like an hour scale, we do have this going on. This liquidity that needs to be built or is getting built up right now. Do I have any ongoing trades right now? No. No ongoing trades right now. We're just waiting to see what market wants to do. Yeah, you and GJ buys right now. Yeah, it's too choppy for me to even determine what the hell I want to see it. If I wanted to buy it, Only thing that's really piquing my interest right now is gold. This is the only thing that's really piquing my interest. Euro yen. We can see it can start tapping into some of these levels, these POI levels here. All right, we got this one and this one to look at right here. These two. By the way, guys, if you aren't familiar with the indicator that I'm using down here, it is called Chart Prime. This is one of the indicators that I use to help me do my analysis, especially when I'm on my phone. They do have quite a lot of indicators, but this is one of my favorites. It's called the isolator. This right here, you can pretty much see divergence. It's an RSI. It can be like the Ichimoku cloud if you guys use that. It can help you determine the momentum of the market. It's a lot in this little indicator right here, and I like it a lot. So, you know, I use it. I mainly use it for divergence, but you know, I did start tapping into a lot of other things that they offer too. They have a nice oversold, overbought signal as well. It's really good. So if you guys ever want to check it out, you guys know the link is chartprime.com. You can go ahead and tap into them. They do have a holiday sale right now, 40% off. And also we're doing a giveaway too on Omri Piper's channel, Chart Prime as well. You know, they're all connected together. So we're going to be doing a free month giveaway with Chart Prime. I know a lot of people use it now on here, so a lot of people just don't know how to use it, and you know, that's something we're going to be talking about too. Yep, go broke. I'm just waiting on a pullback now. So I want to show you guys something. Notice how this indicator Chart Prime printed said that it's oversold. It came into our little orange box, and then you see it started heading down. Same thing here, it started heading down. This is why I absolutely love this indicator, because it's like everything in one. Also shows divergence too. It's beautiful. But for me, guys, as of right at this very moment, I need gold to pull back here. Man, this would be beautiful. We can catch a nice little one-on-one trade here. Let me go back on a higher scale so I don't forget what the overall picture is. The overall picture is up, but like I said, we can start tapping to some of these levels. If dollar wants to go up, which it is, start tapping to some of these POI levels. We got a lot of little liquidity that needs to be fulfilled. The indicator down here is called Chart Prime. You can use my link down in the description. See, I usually trade breakouts, but I don't unless everything is aligning on the same time frame. And this ain't aligning. Still waiting on a pullback. Is it free? No, you can use the code to get 40% off, or you just got to click the link down below. I mean, absolutely, there's free indicators out there, you know, guys, that you can definitely use. But I definitely say, like with Chart Prime, just to simplify everything in a way that they have everything fit and organized and compact inside of it. It's fucking beautiful. Can I show my T? I don't have a TP yet because I don't even know what the fuck is going on right now with gold. So I ain't showing nothing until I see it. You should have looked at the tick chart on MT5 for what? Gives you seconds, time frame. It's inbuilt. Brother, you gotta give me more details on that. Sounds interesting. I don't know if you're saying that it has a timer, or you saying that I can go into seconds. Man, please tell me if that's what you're saying. If I can tap into seconds on MT5 too, it's game over. If I could do it on the phone, it's really game over. But here you guys see 30 seconds is dropping. Look at the indicator, even printed, saying it's oversold. Came in an orange. When we see this and we get the twist with the orange dot on the isolator. So I'm saying, if you guys have your bias already set with everything and then you add this to it, man, that just builds up more confidence with the trade. I need that seconds on my phone too. It's called Tick Charts to go by. Hold on. What's the actual name? What's the actual name of this inbuilt what we can call it? Inbuilt what? Algorithmic time charting? I don't know what we will call it. I don't know what to call it. But y'all need to give me the name. I need the name. Okay, I know. So on Market Watch, what do I type in? When I go to Market Watch on my MT5, what do I type in? I'm gonna add my alert right here, y'all. NASDAQ is coming where? We got a while to go with NASDAQ. Oh, it's called ticks. Okay, got you. All right, I'll check it out. GJ, this is why I didn't get a GJ, guys. It's choppy, man. For everybody that's watching, I'm gonna definitely need everybody to go ahead and smash that like button. Everybody to go ahead and smash that like button. Let's get this video to 300 likes, y'all. $300 likes. We got everybody tapping in, but y'all not liking the video. We gotta like the video. You guys know that goes to show that you show appreciation to what I like doing and what I do. We got how many people watching? I thought it said okay. Guys, get these likes up. We're gonna get these likes up. Get these likes up. Get these likes up. Let's get these likes up. While we wait on the market, get these likes up. Be right back. Buddy, the indicator that I keep talking about is chart prime. I'm saying chart prime. It's called chart prime. That information is in the description. Dollar is heading up to some other levels right now. Gold is overrated. Not to me, man. Yeah, gold is dropping. I was looking to catch the trade, but there's no setup for me, or there's no entry for me. It's just dropping. Now, it would make sense if it wants to build this liquidity up. That would make hella sense. So guys, we got liquidity being built up. It looks like it just wants to build it up. Even better for us. However, though, we got to keep in mind that this is still a trend going up. We did take liquidity highs out. I talk about this all the time. If you are new, you are about to be in for a special treat right now. I talk about liquidity phases all the time. I even said this yesterday with NASDAQ. How I had told you guys that I had to break even with that trade because it was building up liquidity, and we broke even with the trade yesterday. And we was like, guys, I see liquidity's being built up, so we gotta start taking these lows out. And if y'all are new, rewatch the video from yesterday if y'all don't know what I'm talking about, because I mentioned it there too. So I was like, guys, I do see market coming tapping these lows, and guess what it did? It built up more liquidity, and then it finally took it out right here. And then from here, it decided to go up. Now, I talk about these liquidity phases a lot where everybody wants to buy it because they see it broke highs. But then if you see a equal internal equal lows or internal equal highs, just know they want that. You know what I'm saying? So it's very important that you guys understand that. Hold on, y'all. So that's what we got. It looks like with gold, but I'm not gonna say that yet. But on a higher scale, guys, we just took a lot of this liquidity out, right? And we got to take this liquidity next. So this is why I see a drop with gold. I don't know. This level right here, though, this is my POI off of a bigger range, which is from here to here. And we start tapping down. Boom. I'm gonna look for that sell off. But this really depends on what dollar wants to do. Dollar just took liquidity too. It tapped into a nice little POI level down there. So we could finally start seeing it head up and start taking these highs out. Man, very simple how we can look at market. It's up to y'all on how y'all want to, if y'all want to make this shit difficult or not. I swear. It's up to y'all if y'all want to make this shit difficult. I swear to gosh. Because I see a lot of people make this shit difficult for no reason. Maybe to sound smart, look intelligent. But y'all know me, I'm going to keep it basic. Dumbing it down. Dumbing it down. You showed your analysis on gold, Sway? Let me tap in on the community, see what we got. I see. Okay, I see what you're talking about. You got the same shit. Yep, same shit down there. I don't use volume profile methods. No, I do not. What is this web page? This is TradingView. I love the fact your charts are so clean I can actually see it. Yep. I like to keep it clean. I like to eliminate all the noise. If I want to add extra noise, this is the only noise I will have. And there's another indicator called with Chart Prime called the candlestick pattern. Suggestions for good volume indicators. So I like the accumulation distribution one. RSI is a volume indicator. I like that one too. Those are really my top two. I'm pretty sure a lot of other people can vouch for other things too, but that's what I'm going with. So guys, I see a drop with gold. This is now where I see it dropping. Everybody thinks it's going up, but I'm telling y'all, we're going to drop because we got to take this liquidity out. And we still got this liquidity right here that wanted. Like, we got all of this too. We got to focus on too. So, my confidence is high with this one. And, yeah. No problem. Absolutely. So when we tap into Chart Prime, and if you guys, like I said, use the link in the description, candlestick pattern, this one is beautiful. When we double click it, you guys see all of the candles that it will print once it shows it in the chart. You see that we got the following three methods. The one I really care for is a hammer and the bearish engulfing. So when we tap into it, you guys see that once all of your actual trades click and everything clicks, once you see that you get your engulfing candles, that kind of helps you tell you that momentum's hot. You know, momentum's hot, and I could be looking for some opportunity. Patrick, you also drop yours. Kay, you also drop yours. Patrick, I see what you got on here. So you see, what are you on a 5 minute? You see more up? Yeah, I see more up. I'm just trying to see if we're gonna go even that far up, because I'm quite interested to see if we are. All right, guys. So right here, man, this is my extreme off of this range from here to here. If we can see this low being broken, which it will soon, but on a smaller scale, we got a minor range right now where we can tap into either here or maybe further up here. Y'all know me, I love it for it to come more to the extreme than anything, but we're gonna see. Once it comes to these levels, we're gonna wait on momentum to tell us that it's actually a seller's market. I don't just like selling because it came there. Guys, if you're new to my channel, make sure you subscribe because y'all are missing out on a lot of fucking information. Like from knowledge. This is not a signals channel. I don't call out signals. You guys know this is a disclaimer. Whatever you do is up to your own risk. I'm just showing you guys what I do. But based off us being live, you know, you see our stats. Look at the stats. And that's what we did while we were on either live YouTube or live VIP. Overall trades is what we was doing live and off live, like VIP and all that. So, right, there's a lot of information. Man, I have a lot of you guys, freed and paid, come to me and say, E, I appreciate these live streams, these little 2-hour live streams you do. I'm learning so fucking much. Like I love hearing that. That's what's up. That's what's up. And I know a lot of y'all are getting a lot of knowledge off just these little streams right here. So if you're not tapped in, make sure you tap in and make sure you hit the like button, guys. That shows appreciation that you guys truly actually care for my shit. And the more likes I get, the more I feel motivated to do these lives. Goes to show that y'all care, y'all watching, y'all want more. But if we're not getting the likes up, like we got over 600 people watching and we don't even have 600 likes. We got to get these likes up, you know? We don't even have 400 likes. So I need everybody here to tap in. I need all y'all to like it. I need all y'all to like it. Brother, no trades. You don't have to do all that. We patient, man. We not going to hop in a trade just because we want to. We're going to hop in a trade when it's ready to, when I'm ready to hop in a trade. When I see a setup. Right now I don't see a setup. When did I deposit my 4,000? Started this account down there almost a month and I started this in October 18th. There we go. So 2 months ago, almost. We don't force trades at all. Yeah, we focus on. Let me stop saying we, because I focus on quality over quantity. I have the most patience, right? A lot of traders that have patience like me, we can sit here in the charts and not get in one single trade, right? And whatnot. But the beauty of it that I am a true scalper, so I can enter in 30 seconds, still not force a trade, but I know there's a setup in there. And that's why we sometimes take trades every time I live stream. I think there was one time we didn't take a trade while I was live streaming. That's because, you know, scalping, you can do that, but I'm still not forcing a trade. My setups are still the same in every time frame. My risk was not 1 or 2%. I'm not gonna lie to you. I ain't even gonna lie to you. My risk, I know what my risk is. My risk is actually set at 10 to my risk when I first started was actually at 13% range average. So I risk about 10%. Might sound it is a lot for a lot of people. Also, I do have a funded account, and the reason why I'm also trading my funded account live is to show you guys that, for those that's going to come in here and say, oh, you over risking your account, or oh, you doing this, you don't know how to fucking trade. You don't know how to trade just by saying that, first and foremost. But anyway, I have a funded account. It's a small account. It's only 10,000 with Offspring FX. Right now we're actually down, thanks to a fucking trade I took yesterday. No, it was the GJ trade I took, and it brought my account down. But yeah, right now we're down. But this is my funded account right here with Offspring FX. You can't really see it. With them, I only risk 2% max. 2% max, right? So, it's a different risk. This is way different ball game when I'm doing my funded account. I got a different rule with my funded account than my personal account. My personal account, I don't feel like somebody's watching me over my shoulder all the time. That's why I fucking love trading personal accounts. So if somebody asks me why you don't just trade a funded account, this is why. Because I know I can grow my account quicker, but I'm not about growing accounts, guys. I'm not about growing accounts in a certain amount of time. I just know that if I was to risk 5% on one trade, I could still get in another trade and be okay. My overall risk per day, I like to keep it at 10%. That's just realistic. My overall risk per day, I like to keep it at 10%. So if I'm in like 3 trades, I like to make sure it's still at 10%. And if those trades go to left, I'm done for the day. If I lose 2 straight trades, I'm done for the day. Funded, personal, don't matter. Balance is 19. Tomorrow I'm gonna withdraw some more money. I like to withdraw my money out on Fridays. I don't know. It's just a mental thing I set for myself. It's a rule that I set for myself. Don't ask me why. I just set it up because I just like it and I want it to stay consistent. I risk 1%. There you go. Whatever y'all risk, keep it. That's why I like personal accounts. 10K personal is literally the same as 100K funded. Thank you. That's what I've been telling everybody. So if you have a 100K account, you're basically trading 10K if you were to say, fuck it, I'm risking it all. So when I thought of that, I was like, well, I'd rather just trade a personal account where I do have more flexibility. But I promise you guys, for everybody that is watching, FTMO is what literally got me right with risk management. 100%. When I took my first FTMO challenge, I failed. Second, I failed. Third time, I end up passing it because I actually wrote down my actual plan from risk management rules and all of that. Crazy. And then I lost it. Because I was, I didn't really calculate my risk because I think I got in the trade risking 2.5 or 3%. And then I see another opportunity and then I realized that, damn. So there's a lot of calculations that you got to do when you're dealing with a funded account. And I'm a scalper. So as a scalper, you got to calculate these numbers quick, either in your mind or on the computer. And it's kind of like, I can't do it that quick. You know what I'm saying? So that's why I got a funded account. I don't trade it a lot because of that reason. But when I'm on my personal account, I just got way more flexibility. But if you had like a 400K account, funded account, you're basically trading 40K. If you got 100K, if you got a 10K account, you're basically trading 1,000. That's basically what I'm trading right now. That's how I literally look at it. It's like this 10,000 is basically me trading $1,000 account. Literally. So that's why I don't mind funded accounts and I still would trade it. It's just I know how I am as a risk. But I will tell you this right now. If you guys still don't understand risk and you still think risk should not be number 2 in trading, number 1 is your mental, number 2 is risk. If you guys still don't believe that, then right now everybody needs to take a funded account. So y'all can so they can put y'all on the pedestal and realize like, look, you're gonna fuck up if you ain't get your risk management right. Risk management is number 1. Number 2, I like to say, number 1 is here. In order for you to click that trade, you thinking about it before. Yeah, gold broke structure down. I'm looking at it on my other screen right now. Still nothing happening with gold. Yeah, gold is dropping, but that don't mean I'm gonna enter, y'all. Number 1 is your own trading strategy, and number 2 is the risk that you're going to take based off your net worth. I would say, honestly, we all can have the most shittiest trading strategy ever and have the most proactive risk management strategy and compounding strategy. And guys, you'll be successful. let's just say that you were to do this all the time. You were to buy and sell at the same position, but you had a dopest compounding risk management strategy. You would still win. Probably be break even or still win. You will still win. That's what I'm trying to tell you. Risk is really, last thing is your strategy. Mental is 1, risk is 2, and strategy is last. Because I can teach my kid right now everything about mental and risk and nothing about how to look at the market, and I promise you he'll probably be successful. And the only thing I tell him is, hey, when you see market going up, just buy it. When you see market going down, just sell it. And he'll be like, okay, daddy. And then boom, he'll be like, well, I'm going to only just risk 2% and I'm going to only do a 1-on-1 here. And if it comes to a 1 or 2, boom. So, you know, teach it to a new brain that I've never seen in the market before. And your kids would be perfect example. My kid is 4. He's not there yet. I'll wait till he get like 12 or something. But what I'm saying is teach it to a new brain. Somebody that is still developing their brain, right? You got subconscious mind, you got your conscious mind. Teaching kids at around, honestly, from now forward and up is perfect. Because you're basically building a habit for them. You're programming them. It's like what we call a paradigm, right? So it's amazing, man, what we can do. When I am greedy, I always lose all my money. Yeah, we can't be greedy. We can't have that greed. All right, guys. GJ is about to do something. Let's tap into it real fast. Let me see. I want to see what we can get. All I want to see is a high break and pull back and then boom. That's all I'm waiting on. You said my daughter's 4 and she sits with me and watches. She sees green colors and said, "That's money, daddy." I like that. But subconsciously learning, man. I love it, right? Subconsciously, she is learning without her even knowing. And that subconscious, you can turn that into an emotional thing, or you can turn that and bring that to your conscious, and then boom. That's why subconscious is the most powerful part of our brain. That is actually what triggers us for emotions. When you guys sense something right now like this is a lemon. When you sense it, you immediately think of something lemon, or you immediately think of something you were around that had to do with lemons. That's your subconscious clicking. And then when your subconscious clicks, it turns into a feeling, an emotion. And that emotion could be either happy, sadness, and so forth. Man, guys, y'all gotta really tap into a lot of I'm tapping into a lot of stuff right now, right? I'm tapping into a lot of stuff right now. Learning our bodies, physical body, learning the conscious mind of ourselves. All of that, man. I'm tapping into a lot of that, spiritual, physically, mentally, y'all. All right, guys. So NASDAQ. You said my 3-year-old hangs out with me, but I think it's more because she wants breakfast. That sounds like something my son would do. My son just came up in here talking about, but he knows when I'm doing stuff, he knows not to That's when, but he just kept coming in here, so I was like, he must really want something. All he wanted was some. Just wanted a Pop Tart. I've been into spirituality and law of attraction since 2016. Slowly found me. Yeah, yeah, yeah. I've been tapping into a lot of other things too, like ancient history. So I got only one question about you, brother. Do you teach in your Discord server for free? On my Discord, we do a lot of like, it's like a community of just a bunch of traders. So, you know what I mean? That's what we do on there. There's also a lot of dope trade ideas that's posted all the time. And a lot of those trade ideas really go into a lot of people's favor. TP solo. What? TP for what? I mean, we ain't even getting this trade. You want a Telegram dropping possibly next week? Right, I'm teaching free here, pretty much. Yeah, NASDAQ is not giving me a signal for sales right now. It's just slowly, gradually going down. If we look on 15-minute, you guys see that? Oh my God, look at this. Liquidity phase, it took liquidity. It tapped into our midpoint off of this range from here to here. This is my range from here to here. We going down with NASDAQ now, y'all. I'm looking for sales for NASDAQ too. I'm just trying to see where and when could we go. I would love to fucking see market come here and they go. I'm in it. Not right now though, but I'm gonna be in it. If this 5-minute plays out pretty well, we might have something. Let me see. Or 2-minute. Alright guys, so I'm gonna enter on NASDAQ. And then as me entering on NASDAQ, I'm gonna have my stop loss actually resting right above here. And I'm gonna get in another entry only once it does what I want it to do. I'm gonna have more TP levels. Let's tap into here. So Oh, this makes sense actually. Guys, I see Neil, you said I spotted NAS earlier, all from Solo Eat Teaching. I know we about to do a boot camp soon, brother, so I would love to see what you got going on soon. Ooh, Neil, you caught that sell. See, man, I was looking at that. You caught it right where I was looking at it, but I'm like, the momentum wasn't there. So great entry, brother. Great entry. Great entry. One of the students, Neil, he caught it actually up here. Great entry, man. I love it. By the way, guys, I just opened up a crazy mastermind bootcamp. I'm only selecting a few, and you guys got to actually already be tapped in on my Discord in order to be part of it. I'm not just going to have anybody join. It is, if you guys want this one is going to be 8 session. We're going to do 4 sessions of hardcore teaching, market reaction. Then we're going to do another 4 sessions of all live trading. So what I mean by that is, if you guys got a funded account, got a personal account, you want to do a demo, which I really don't I would not recommend you doing a demo. I would say, if anything, do like $50. Do whatever you can that you don't mind giving away. If it's $10, do it. And let's trade it live. Let's trade it live and see what happens. But you got to be a part of my community in order to do that. And it's not obvious. It's not free. I know somebody's gonna ask, is it free? Fortunately, it's not free. All right, this is free right here. But yeah, guys. So basically, I did one standard lot because this is Henko trade, and this is why I like it. I'm actually gonna enter in this trade with my broker for my funded account. But like I said, I'm only risking 1 to 2%. So I'm gonna do a 0.1. So you guys see, I'm only risking 1% right now on this account. My mastermind bootcamp, DM me on Discord. If you guys want that, you have to DM me on Discord. But it's only for serious traders only. Don't be DM me and then say, hey, I think I'm interested, or hey, I'm interested. If you're not willing to invest in your fucking self, don't waste my time, please. If so, just stick to watching these videos. So I'm gonna look on another entry. I'm gonna be looking for another entry possibly when we get back to these levels again. If it ever comes, I'm gonna look for another entry here. Neil, you got in right here, man. This is a beautiful entry. So I know you profitable right now. PIK, no, I never caught out a go trade. This wasn't active. We actually needed it to come back and then sell it. Yeah, I'm more I don't care what anybody say about a buy or sell. I'm all in for sell right now. I get hella people coming in my chat room and be like, oh, I bought it. Why are you buying it? And I remember last week I had like 3 people in the chat room saying, why did you buy NAS? And after news, what did it do? That one, I made $1,500 off that play. PIK, you good? Don't worry. You probably tapped in a little later. What I'm getting at though, guys, is you gotta be 110% confident on your trade. No matter if 500 million people is telling you the other way, you gotta be confident with it. And I feel confident with every trade I get into, right? And if I don't, then it had to be something. But every trade I get into, I feel confident. Even if it comes to my stop loss, I'm still confident. We took liquidity highs out. We tapped into a midpoint right here off of this range from this high to this low. Right here, we got a low of liquidity wants to be, it looks like it's going to build up more liquidity here. If not, take it out. Come here and build up more liquidity or take it out. This is why my TPs are here. And we got liquidity build up all of this right here on a higher scale. And this little minor one right here. You wanna, Patrick, man? I swear, man, you probably one of the most funniest people I know. I'm on a without you even being funny, man. I'm on a 8 lot on my 100K account. Every time I just hear that 8 lot, bro, it just brings back to when you said you accidentally took an 8 lot on NASDAQ, or was it US 30? That's crazy. That's like me saying, y'all, I accidentally made 100K. Like, how do you accidentally made 100K? Or I accidentally got in an 8 size lot. That would be dope. That would be dope. You know what I'm saying? That boy funny without knowing. Oh, it was 80. Oh my God. I'm surprised they didn't allow you to. I'm surprised that wasn't even allowed. 80 lots, you would have been a millionaire, man. If you would have held that joint out. But hey, Patrick, when we was in VIP, for those that's new, we was in VIP. He did say he was moving the stop loss. I would have did the same thing. If I would have accidentally gotten a trade, I would have just stayed in it, moved my stop loss to break even, and if that joint kept going, it kept going, it kept going. Like, imagine that, guys. You accidentally got in gold for 80 lots right here. Let's say you accidentally got in gold, right? You're like, oh shit. Instead of you tapping out, just move your stop loss to break even. And as you see, it had no drawdown. That would have been well over 800K profit. That's that now that's right there. That's some funny ass shit right there. I love it. I love it. Hell yeah, man. Had me turning up in a Zoom call last night. we got to make sure you stay tapped in, Patrick, on these Zoom calls we do. Buy gold now. Why y'all buying gold? Did GJ dang, GJ ain't pulling back now at all. Wait on this pullback with GJ. Yeah, I'm shorting NAS right now. I wanted to come back here and see if we can get another opportunity. Because if so, I'm going to be looking for another entry. I actually should have oh, I'm fine. I keep thinking my account is at $4,000. My account is not at 4,000. This is what is this, about an 8% risk? This is about a 7% risk I'm risking on this right now. Like I said, I like to stay up around 10%. So once it comes to my other entry, if I get another setup, I'm going to enter in another position. I can't do it on my funded account. Like I said, guys, I traded differently. So I'm still in this trade right now, risking only 1%, which ain't really nothing at all. But if this goes back in my favor and I get the signal to sell it, then I'm going to go ahead and look for another entry, and I'm going to do another standard. And then that's going to put me at around 10% total. Telling you, it's all about percentages, y'all. I don't like having a stop loss while I'm looking at the market. If I'm away from the market, I put my stop loss. But mentally, I do have my stop loss set right here. Because I know these brokers like to troll our stop loss sometimes. They do, y'all. Believe it or not, they do. Bro, but 1% of 1900 is only $190. I ain't know that. I know all of that. I know what my risk percent is. Trading is very subjective, guys. Y'all can do whatever y'all want. Just don't be dumb about it. You know, you can risk 1%. I do that with my funded account. You can risk 2% with your personal account. 3%, 4%, 5%. Doesn't matter. I'm risking 10%. Why? Because I choose to. Is there anything wrong with it? And fuck no. What's wrong with it? If there was something wrong with it, what would be wrong with it? Somebody please tell me. Because I got another rule. If 2 of the trades do go left, I'm done for the day. Well, then you lost, 19K. You would have brought it down to, let's just say 15K. Okay, I'm going to come back in the market, tap in. The nice thing about, this is why everything goes together. The nice thing about my other strategy is that I do a 1-on-1. Every time it comes to 1-on-1, I move to break even or take some profit out. So it's kind of like, everything goes together. It can be very subjective. You can set so many crazy rules. But I risk 1% on my funded account, not my personal account. So if you did get confused, or if I might have said I risk 1% on my personal, I meant funded. I like to risk 1 or 2%. I'm not looking at Euro or USD right now. I mean, unless it's in my broker right now. It's not. I'm looking at AUT USD right now. AUT USD did tap into our point of interest. This kind of right here on the 5. Damn, I want to enter on the 1 minute though, man. It's kind of late for that. What dollar doing? Makes sense. Makes sense why this is going up and this is supposed to be going up, but this just goes to show dollar's strong, guys. Dollar's strong for a downtrend. Why is that? Well, considering that let me go 1 minute. Considering we're dropping, and right now we're not doing as much as far as going up because we did all of that going up here, right? So the volume should be, this is how we start seeing divergence. This is how technically you can calculate divergence without you even having divergence calculated. So if you see the isolator did print a divergence here, right? But maybe we don't really have a new high set right now besides this one. So it's going to be a little difficult to see a divergence play right now. But either way it goes, we do have that reaction of dollar dropping while gold's supposed to be going up aggressively, but we're not seeing that. So that just goes to show that gold could still be strong for a seller's market, and we could definitely take these liquidity lows and start building up more liquidity here. Give me the money. Give me the money. Cause I started noticing that we started booming on our streams, and I appreciate everybody. We're getting a lot of people tapping in our streams, man. I like that. And I'm gonna just say this again, guys. If you are not subscribed to my YouTube channel, subscribe to my YouTube channel. On here we do a lot of teaching, free fucking knowledge. So I'll be down if somebody's talking mad shit about me because I do this and I do that. We giving out free fucking knowledge, And y'all seeing how a trader like me, where there's a lot of other traders that do live streams that I fuck with too, but y'all see me, how I handle my shit, how I handle my emotions, and how I'm trading, right, and all of that. So once again, if you're new, I'm trading 2 accounts right now. I gotta add my funded account on here. I gotta figure out how to. I do know how to do that, and I'm gonna do that in my next live. I got y'all, but I got my personal account and my funded account here. My funded account, I'm down $40 on NASDAQ. Personal, we're down $300 right now on NASDAQ. So if you guys look, our history is we're trying to grow a $4,000 account to 40K. I don't have a time frame. I don't want to set a time frame because I feel like when I do that, I'm going to be forcing myself in dumbass trades I shouldn't be getting into, and I'm going to be doing dumbass lots I should not be giving to. The most lots I like to do is three standards. I'm not giving no calls here. This is disclaimer, guys. I'm not here to call out fucking signals. Telling you what I'm getting into, and it's up to you if you want to take it based off the education and what I'm doing. No, I'm not calling out nothing here. Y'all not finna get me in trouble. I tell everybody to sell right now, and then the market goes left. Y'all mad at me, now y'all gonna try to sue me because I told you I gave y'all guys financial advice without a license. Kevin, laugh out loud. Take a guess. How old do you think I am? How do I join a VIP? Link is literally on the chat room or in the description. Right, this is an educational session with practice. No, I'm 30. Somebody said I'm 50, 69. Damn. And I got introduced into trading when I was 25. So that goes to show, guys, I got some years in this shit. I remember I was working a leasing job, stumbled across it. I used to do something called MCA, Motor Club of America. It was kind of like how IML was for those that don't know. It was like a network marketing company where I can recruit people and make money. I used to do another company called Wake Up Now. From 20 to 25, I was doing what y'all did in MIL. And then from 25 to 26, I was doing binary options, which a lot of people is now tapping into it. So I've been in some years in this shit, man, and I'm just now seeing profit. I've been in some years doing shit. Right. See, Ryan, you said you've been trading. You 29. You've been trading 8 years. Only became profit this year. See, that's what I'm saying. Do I still trade binary options? Nah. Neil, you said is the sell stop in place? I just got a stop loss set up here. Patrick, you said you lost 8%. You done for the day? I feel you. Dollar must be dropping still. There we go. This is what I was waiting on. I really don't see gold coming back up here. I only see it coming back to these levels here. Somebody said it kind of cares on why would you stick to it for 8 years without profit until you start becoming profitable. Who was the guy that said that it was in it for 8 years? Was it like your name Ryan? Ryan, can you tell them why? I would love to hear your story too, because I feel like this is important because a lot of people will, probably quit their second year. Yeah, Ryan. For me, guys, I've been trading for 5 years, and I promise you, my fourth year is when I started seeing profit. I invested well over 100K within 5 years. Within 4 years. I remember I showed all y'all my Cash App deposits I made with crypto. It said over 110K. And I'm just like, damn, where that money come from? Only reason why I stuck with it is because my second year is where I seen the most craziest flip I ever did. And that's where I did like I remember I deposited an unemployment check of $600 and turned that joint into 25K. And then I remember I was telling all my homies, I was showing everybody. I was like, y'all, look. I got 2,500K in my account. I had my Amazon worth of $3,000 worth of shit in there. I was at this time I was looking at a studio. I was trying to build a studio, all types of shit. Never took the money out yet, right? Never took the money out, and then that week I lost 5K. I was holding it for longer. Next week it became 10K. I decided, you know what? I only put $600 in here. I'm gonna hold it out. Next week I lost 15K in the cash out. I got the trade, and I remember I came to work. Everybody's like, "Yo, what's wrong with you?" I was like, "Nothing." I was depressed as fuck. It's like when you think of you having $1 million in your hands, and then you coming back, it's gone. That's how I felt. And then I blew that entire account because I from there I started emotional trading. I did take some money out, but it was done from there. That right there taught me two things. It taught me, damn, I can't be greedy. How can I learn this? And then it taught me that I can still do this. That's why I stuck with trading. I'm not in gold right now. I need more selling power. This ain't enough. Compared to this right here, that ain't enough. I need more selling power in NASDAQ too. More momentum means looking at previous candles and all that stuff. Guys, can we get this video up to 700 likes? I need all y'all to do me a favor. Tap in. Subscribe. Let's get this video up to 700 likes. Let's hit a new record. That's just gonna make me more hype. My Twitter finger's gonna be hype. My trading finger's gonna be hype. I need everybody in here to hit the thumbs up. Let's get this joint to 700 fucking likes. Let's turn up the music a little bit. Let's get this up to 700 likes, y'all. After all this knowledge we dropping, we're currently in NASDAQ. Well, all right, I said we. Sorry, me. Currently in NASDAQ, and like or get banned. No, I'm not gonna be that crazy. We're currently in NASDAQ right now. We're looking at gold, but I can't show y'all anything until we get these likes up. All I ask for is a simple like. The same amount of effort y'all put into coming on my stream, same amount of effort y'all gotta do. If y'all on your phone, close out the chat, hit that do this, swipe down, and boom, like. That's all. That takes not even a second. Not even a second. So I'm gonna need all y'all to go ahead and like that. I'll be right back. I gotta piss. I gotta stop saying what the fuck I'm about to do. I'll be right back. But like the damn video. What's up, my fellow mates? How we doing today? What's going on, my fellow mates? Guys, if you are new to my channel, make sure you are subscribed so you don't miss out on any fire gems that we drop. You are my idol. I appreciate it. I read that wrong. In my mind, I thought it said you are my idiot. I'm like, damn, what did I do? But I read that wrong. Now NASDAQ is rejecting. We got to see if dollar wants to go. Because if dollar wants to go, oh, wait, hold on. Looks like divergence maybe. Maybe. My thoughts on moving averages. I like them a lot. I like them a lot. Man, you selling gold, man. You crazy. Hey, it's crazy when people say that because it's like, you know, somebody thinking sells right now, so why other people thinking buys right now. But hell yeah, I'm selling gold. Definitely had to explain why though. This is my midpoint with gold. I would love for it to come more up here than here. Just because I'm all about midpoint. It means Hanko Trade. HXT is Hanko Trade. That's their branding for Hanko Trade. I know there's a couple other brokers that does the same too. Don't maybe like my funding something does the same too. Had a little abbreviations and stuff. FX, what's up? I'm doing good. I see. Okay, I see you got your markups for gold. I like it. We got the same markups. We're looking at downtrend too. Here or here. No, you can't connect your charts. Did I have beginner's luck when I first? Hell yeah. That's that trade that thing I told you I did where I did that $600 to 25K. That was all luck. That was all luck because I remember at the time I was just following this one strategy called the trend line strategy. Every time it hits the trend line, just buy it. If it's going up, every time it hits the trend line, just sell it. I remember I was doing that with gold. That's why I'm obsessed with gold. I remember gold was the one. You sure NAS is going down? No, I'm not 100% sure. I just got my bias set for down. If I was 100% sure, shoot. I'm just telling you what I see. Yeah, nothing is sure. But I know what you mean though. You just asking like, are you sure about my? I don't know if you're asking about sure about my analysis. I'm sticking with my analysis. Man, bro, I lost over 100K because that's how much I put it in since 4 years. This is the end of the 4 years when I start seeing profit. So if you want to be realistic, yeah, for 100K, yeah. It's how much total? It's probably like 130 and 150 because I'm thinking of. I remember I was doing deposits with something called Instacoin too, but it wasn't a lot though. So it was like 120, 130. Where you got money to throw in? I don't know. So I be asking myself. I swear I don't know. I was working at 9 to 5, making at the time like 18 an hour, commission based too. You know what I'm saying? Like, and I was asking family and friends for money too. Like, I don't know. I must have been taking out loans or something because I don't know where that money came from. It was not. I was making hella money back then because I wasn't. But my first year, I'm profited since I blew a little 100. And it'd be funny because it'd be so many people coming to me, be like, "Hey, bro, I'm done with trading. I blew $100 account." I'm like, man. And it'd be crazy because I'd be like, man, that's nothing. It could be a lot to you, and I get it, but I blew $100 accounts multiple times. Total, I blew over 100K. Not in one trade or one account, but just like overall how much I've been putting into over the 4 years. Yeah, like towards my 4th year is when I start seeing profit. Right, that's basically like me putting $100 and 100 times in 100 times doing $100 account. Yeah, basically. Damn, you blew $100 account. I lost 18K on a blackjack table. Fuck that, I can't play blackjack. You can't tell me I'll do blackjack. I can't do it. You lost 21K in 4 years. That's what's up, man. Yeah, I lost 100K in 4 years. That's what the NASDAQ trade. Nah, and I'm still in it. I'm still holding it. If it starts taking out my highs, then everything else. Then if it start breaking out my highs, then it's like, all right, cool. Blowing a $40 account. You lost 100K too, man. For y'all, you know, 20K is a lot, 10K is a lot. I get it, but for y'all saying y'all lost, I be having people hit me all the time, be like, "Hey man, I just blew my $1,000 account." I be like, "Damn, man." You know, obviously I say what I say, but I look at it like, man, I know people that blew way more than that, you know, and it's just like people blow accounts out here, man. Not even accounts, but just blow money. I don't know. US 30 is just, I don't know. US 30 is just US 30. I don't know. It's just US 30. It's better not to. Yeah, I mean, we are coming in here not to try to blow an account. But I think that's because we got to understand proper risk management too. That's what's up. You said I'm following you in ICT and actually have a 200K FTMO account. I don't feel that shit these days with good mentors. That's what's up. We need some movement with gold. Yeah, this movement. I'm waiting on that movement, man. I'm just like, it looks like it wants to start doing its thing. You know, we got all sell signals with my chart prime indicator, but y'all know me. I don't just rely off indicators. I gotta use my bias off of reaction off momentum price. I'm pretty sure we got the same with we got all sell signals too with NASDAQ. So everything's aligning right now, but you just want to see what the fuck. We do got a double top. Dollar took out liquidity. Let me see something. I don't know, guys. I kind of do see dollar still heading down a little bit, but I don't know. I see it doing something like this, coming into these levels, boom, 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 coming back up, boom, 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 and then boom, and then going up. I need another pullback, and then boom. I'm waiting on what the fuck NASDAQ wants to do. Might want to re-enter. I didn't even realize it was 11. Gold is dropping. Yeah, I'm gonna sell this, guys. I'm selling TP1 here. I'm gonna get in another entry. And I'm gonna do TP. Ah, shit is racing. I should have had entered again. Hold on. Damn, gold is dropping, bro. I should have just did the 2 entries. So I was gonna get in another NASDAQ trade, but since I got in this gold trade, I don't want to risk too much on my personal account. So I'm gonna just stay in these 2 trades right now. And given the time that it's 11 right now, yeah, I'm gonna just stay in these 2 trades right now. Let's see if we can smash this TP, guys. So for those that's new to my channel, I'm gonna tell y'all this right now. When I get in the trade, I cannot look at the trade because I still got anxiety, right? And I just can't sit there and look at the trade. Even though I'm set to it, I just mentally, it just messes me up. I know a lot of y'all say y'all could do it. And if y'all do it and y'all find yourselves in a situation where y'all always asking to trade early or asking to trade late or whatever, that's y'all reason right there. Y'all staring at it too hard. And y'all get to changing y'all bias. Because I don't want to be changing my bias once I have it set. I have it fucking set. So I just leave that shit alone. And then I just be like, all right, cool. But if we're coming close to TP, that's when I'll cash out the trade early. Why? I'm explaining why right now, literally. I just can't. Me too, bro. Yeah, I'm the same way. I can't. Because I don't want to be being like, like, I know it's going to do an emotional roller coaster. Money is money, y'all. You can't sit here and say that, oh, when I get in a trade, I have no emotions. What? Then you won't even be trading. You won't even care for money to begin with, necessarily. I know a lot of people, when they have money, they feel relief. That's an emotional thought, right? So it's kind of like when I'm in blue, when your account show blue, you have your you're like, okay, cool. Your emotion, you emotionally will start to feel relief. But when you start to see red, you start to panic and you start to go recalculate your analysis. And you're like, oh, you know what? It is going to go up. You know what? Let me get out. Like right now, how everybody's telling me that NAS is going up, 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 NAS is going up. That right there is why I don't do that shit, because everybody's like, I'm going to get out, 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 I'm going to get out. It's like fucking I don't know how to explain it, but that's the reason why I don't study my trade that I'm in. When I'm already in it, I already took care of it. I leave it alone. If it hits my TP, it hits it. If it hits my stop loss, it hits it, and I leave it alone. Let me put in notes though. I am using Hanko Trade as my broker. You say my blood pressure goes up like crazy sometimes. Yeah. This business needs real psychology. Yeah, you gotta master that, man. You know, that's a fact. That's a fact. I'm gonna move my stop loss right here, or my TP right here, because I want to be alerted earlier. You said record that gold trade as a personal trade, not a live trade. I don't know why would I do that when I just took this trade live. When I just showed this trade live. Every time you come on here, you want to say something negative. It's so funny, and I don't get it though. But this trade is recorded live. Showed it on here too. Entry right here. I love this energy because it shows that people need something to hate on, or the negative, put negative thoughts on. When is a boot camp? So my boot camp is I have a boot camp opening position. Honestly, I think in February though. I gotta double check. Yeah, I gotta double check. I gotta double check. Nah, see, you know what was weird about haters though? They will follow you and still do what the fuck you doing, or still like preach, like you'll preach and then they'll listen and follow. We all have them, rather if it's a family member, friends, or whatever. They don't even know that they hate neither, because hating is part of like greed, jealousy, all of that, envy, all of that. But yeah, guys, this is what I got going on right now. What's going on, fingertips? I fuck with the name. Can you enter on NAS now? Can I enter on NAS now? I mean, you can do what you want. I'm in it. Do you have a daily trading time to stop or no? Yeah, this is probably like the time because this is where it starts to get dead. Start to be very mellow. I love your trading strategy. I appreciate that. So, guys, if you're not tapped in the VIP chat room, make sure you tap into that. Hold on, guys. I'm going to see something with this trade real fast. No, I'm not looking at euro right now. I'm not trading the euro right now. I feel like stuff is about to start consolidating. Nah, I don't trade that pair. That gas, nah, I don't trade that. My same strategy applies on all pairs. Yeah. Nah, the final TP, I'm not looking on that to get hit today. Is chart prime a good one? Chart prime is the indicator that, yeah, I'm just, shoot, hold on. This indicator right here. No, when I did a poll, GJ was actually the second best. Number one was gold, GJ was second, and NASDAQ was 3, and US 30 was last, based off those. No one likes UJ. I don't know. I mean, you can absolutely take good trade setups. We got some people in here right now that actually take some nice trades using chart prime. I can tell you why US 30 was last. Yeah, I'm still in all these. I just know we got this range and so forth. Hell yeah, the journey was definitely worth it. Everybody that is new, I need everybody here. Do me a favor. Let's get the likes up. I want us to actually hit 700 likes. Everybody that's here, I need everybody to tap in. Hit this. Let's go ahead and drop the likes. I know we got now a lot of new people tapping in. I need all y'all to go ahead and drop the likes. Let's all start tapping in it. You have Blue Mini account, Scalping Gold. Damn. Yeah, see, it's about that time where things about to start being in consolidation. So guys, what I see is consolidation for NASDAQ right now. It's going to be playing with people's emotions. If you're just staring at it, same thing with gold. It's doing a little consolidation. That's because dollar is too. Dollar looks like it's going to head up, but we need gold to just drop down here, and we got something. Do you hold your trades during consolidation? Absolutely, absolutely. Market always consolidates. That's why I don't watch the charts like that. That's why I can't sit here and look at my thing, because it'll be out of nowhere where green, I'm $100 in, and then I turn around, red, I'm negative 300, and then I'm like, oh my God, let me get out. Like, no. We'll use that alleyway strategy on GJ. Nice, nice. Omar, I appreciate that. Consolidation is a building out liquidity as well as, yep, it is though. I did go because if you guys tap on a higher scale, notice how we did a liquidity phase. I talk about liquidity phase all the time. Notice first and foremost that we're going down, right? Overall picture is down. Broke the structure. Even if we tap out further, yeah, bigger scale, we could be possibly heading up. But this is why a lot of people get very confused. People don't understand, are we really going up or really going down? I always just say, look at the higher scale and start working down from there. But we're going down right now at this time in a moment. We have these equal, not equal, but we have break of structure, our range. Right here is the midpoint. We took liquidity out, tapped into our midpoint, and now we're heading down. So when we start scaling down, you guys will see that we got to also take liquidity lows out here. Once we take liquidity lows out here, boom. So I'm looking at these new lows here, and that's where I'm going to go right now. So give me 1 second, guys. What's going on, everybody? So yeah, market is gonna be dry right now, guys. So we're gonna be ending this one short. Well, not really short. It's actually still 2 hours long. But we're just gonna be waiting on this. If you guys are tapped into my Discord, make sure you are, because I'm gonna be posting this saying that we finally either hit stop loss or TP. Same thing with NASDAQ. It's gonna be consolidating. It is that time right now. It's 11 o'clock. It's usually dead time, dead hours. But over from now up until London session or New York session or Asian session, I will be looking for those down moves. You know, that's what I definitely do see. So yeah, guys. So once again, if you're not tapped into it, make sure you guys tap into my Discord. Otherwise, y'all missing out on a lot of fucking gems. And once again, make sure you subscribe. Tomorrow, I'm gonna be going live on Chart Prime. So if you guys are in the Discord, I'm gonna be sharing a link. But I'm gonna be going live on Chart Prime with Armory Piper tomorrow. So, and then of course with the VIP community and everything. So guys, yeah. Other than that, I appreciate y'all. Everybody be safe, and I'll see you guys either tomorrow or Sunday or Monday. Everybody, peace.
Silence on the beat.
This on my head, I can't seem to get the shit out. But damn, I feel jaded. Shawty got me feeling all cloud. I don't know how to be regular, 'cause I can be basic. She don't know how to be regular, 'cause she ain't no basic. I've been out here thinking shit up on my head. Damn it, I don't know if I control it. Baby got me thinking shit up on my bed. I can't really take you as an opponent. I don't want no smoke with you. I don't want no smoke. I don't want no smoke with you. I don't want no smoke. I know this hurt again, but let's be friends. I can't pretend with you, 'cause I don't want no smoke with you. I don't want no smoke.
On the beat.
Then I know I got issues. Then I know I had to get it pippin' too. But they say I move though. Usually I'm cool though. Then I know I had to get you. Yeah, I know I had too many damn issues. Now my head is so confused. I don't know how to cool. I don't really wanna let this go. I don't really wanna let you go. This ain't how I play, but I had to lay up. Had to say so, had to play it safe. This on my head, I can't seem to get this shit out. But damn, I feel jaded. Shawty got me feeling all cloud. I don't know how to be regular, 'cause I can be basic. She don't know how to be regular, 'cause she ain't no basic. I've been out here thinking shit up on my head. Damn it, I don't know if I control it. Baby got me thinking shit up on my bed. I can't really take you as an opponent. I don't want no smoke with you. I don't want no smoke. I don't want no smoke with you. I don't want no smoke. I know this hurt again, but let's be friends. I can't pretend with you, 'cause I don't want